My father used to have a small tannery, and we learned the trade just looking at him and doing beautiful things. So I remember him choosing the materials. I remember his hands touching the leather, feeling the skin. That image touched me forever.
Bueno, desde que era niño, ¿no? Yo me acuerdo de los 7 años, 8 años, estaba mirándolo a mi papá trabajar.
With that dream, we thought on making our own business. Our motto to preserve the integrity of the item that we are repairing. Using the same machinery, the same technology that these big companies use, it's crucial. It's not only the craftsmanship, you have to know how to build up one item from scratch. You need to know the machinery. One of the things we thought we needed to do is go where these big brands go to obtain their technology. That's what we did. The process in our repair center, we sent to different areas that we have. We have an area of alterations.
And we will put a zipper on this wood.
The shoe repair area, the gold plating area, the cleaning and conditioning area, and refinishing area. All of those work together. Every member of the company has to deal with all of them. There is a lot of people that didn't buy things because probably they don't fit well for them. And we can add elastics, we can add leather, we can customize or alter and leave it as factory made, especially for them.
Bueno, este es un customer que quiere... Normalmente estas carteras vienen para poner un perro adentro. Y quieren poner un zipper para que el perro no se les escape, ¿no? Y tiene que tener una apertura acá para que pueda respirar.
We believe in don't discard things. Buy quality, things that you can give a second life, that you can restore, that you can repair, and also lower the carbon footprint. Right now, we are on a project with Neiman Marcus and Berthold Woodman to reach 1 million repairs. So we reached that mark in 2 years. I feel probably what the client feels. It goes back to looking at my father touching the material. That's something for me powerful. It gives me a lot of joy.
Yo creo que estaría orgulloso de saber lo que hemos logrado, ¿no? De todo el esfuerzo que le hemos puesto y que valió la pena, ¿no? Yo creo que estaría muy orgulloso y le encantaría participar.
We really care. We take items as our own, and that's, I think, a very, very important part of the concept, of the idea, of the business. And we believe in what we do.